Do you know what Form 16 is and why it's important for you as an employee in India? Well, it's a key document, especially if you're employed in the private sector. Form 16 is a certificate issued by your employer that details your salary earned during the financial year and the tax deducted at source, also known as TDS, on that income. The authority that issues Form 16 is your employer. This document comes in two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A contains details about both the employer and employee. This includes names, addresses, tax deduction and collection account number, also known as TAN, and permanent account numbers or PAN for both parties. It also includes details of the tax deducted at source by the employer and deposited with the government. Moving on to Part B of Form 16, this section provides a detailed breakup of your salary. This includes allowances, perquisites, deductions allowed under the Income Tax Act and tax payable on the total income. It also includes details of any other income you've declared, deductions under Chapter 6A like Section 80C and 80D, and the net tax payable or refundable. In terms of salary, Part B of Form 16 offers a comprehensive breakdown of salary components like your basic salary, house rent allowance or HRA, dearness allowance, DA, conveyance allowance, medical allowance, and so on. It also includes details of any other allowances or perquisites you've received. Form 16 shows the amount of tax your employer has deducted from your salary and deposited with the government on your behalf. This TDS is calculated based on your total income and the tax rates that apply to you. Part B of Form 16 also provides a computation of your total taxable income and the tax liability thereon. It takes into account various deductions and exemptions available under the Income Tax Act. Form 16 must be authenticated by your employer with their signature and stamp. This serves as proof of the TDS deducted by the employer and deposited with the government. When it comes to filing your income tax return, Form 16 is an essential document. The information provided in Form 16 needs to be accurately reported when you file your returns. It's also important to retain Form 16 for your records, as it serves as proof of your income and TDS deducted during the financial year. You might also need it for various financial transactions and loan applications. Whether you're a beginner in IT software or in any other field, understanding the details mentioned in Form 16 is crucial. It directly relates to your income tax liabilities and compliance with tax regulations. For further clarity on understanding and utilizing Form 16 effectively, consider consulting with a tax advisor or accountant.